What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve Natto and we have a really cool video lined up for you guys today. It's about the Adidas Ninja Nite Jogger. So this is the brand new sneaker from Adidas and Ninja. Yes, Ninja, the Fortnite player, the one that I'm sure everybody knows about at this point. Huge name in esports and gaming. The kind of the forefront for bringing Fortnite to be as big as it is now. Huge player in all this. He signed with Adidas to do some kind of contract or deal or sponsorship, something along those lines a few months back. And as of yesterday, they finally announced what the first shoe is going to look like in his collection. So the name of this sneaker is the Adidas Ninja Nite Jogger. And it's the Nite Jogger silhouette in Ninja's, first colorway that he decided on, primarily white, blue, and yellow, and has a little bit of writing on it. It has Ninja written on it, and then also Time In on the other sneaker. So the Time In collection is sort of the branded name for his drop of this first sneaker, and it's really cool. It's all about supporting creators and having Adidas put on for the people that they support. So Ninja is obviously one of the first people in esports to get a deal like this with a sportswear company like Adidas. So very, very cool. It has me very interested, and I saw this news right away. I was really into it, and I thought it's awesome. The shoe, I think, looks pretty good overall. I think it's a very clean and simple shoe, and I love the message it sends. I really like that Adidas is pushing for creators and pushing the bounds with different types of influential people across the world. Obviously, Adidas has had Kanye for some time. They have Pharrell as well. They have some big names that aren't just your, top tier sports athletes like other companies do. So Adidas has a wide range of people, and they dug into esports with Ninja, and I absolutely love it. So, like I said, the first shoe is the Adidas Ninja Nite Jogger, and the release date is set for December 31st. So on New Year's Eve, I guess the shoe is going to drop on Adidas.com. Right now there's an information page on Adidas as well as the product page on Adidas, and it says the shoe will come out on December 31st via a waiting room release. There's no other information if or when these sneakers will drop in stores. I really hope so because I know a lot of people are really going to want this shoe. So I hope it has a bit of a wider release, but for now it's just the Adidas.com page. We are about a week or two away, so this could change. The info might vary a little bit. Stick with this video. Let me know in the comments below. I check those out, almost every day. So if you guys have any questions about the shoe, just please let me know, and I'll help you get those answered for the most up-to-date information that I have. You guys can also reach out to me on social media, on Twitter and Instagram at Steve Natto. But yeah, so pretty much the shoes do come out on Adidas.com, like I mentioned. The key thing is it's going to be via a waiting room release. So it sounds sort of like a Yeezy release in that, it says, it's going to be put into a random queue, and people will be randomly selected to purchase the sneakers. So whether it's good or bad, I'm not really sure. Hopefully it kind of gives everyone a fair shot. I also really hope that they just take that away and just do a, normal product launch. Because, the shoes look really good, but I'm not sure there's the type of resale hype that, is attached to a waiting room release. I feel like those are more used for the really hyped up, Yeezy releases that draw a lot of attention from the resale market. It's certainly possible that these could have some resale value depending on how limited they are. But this kind of shoe, I would really want to get in the hands of, the consumers who want it. There's so many people who love Ninja, love what he's doing, love Fortnite, who want to just support what he's doing and what Adidas is doing. And I'm hoping that's the case. So my wishes for this video is that hopefully the shoe will have a larger release. I'd love to see more shoes come out from this, and for Adidas to continue to work with creators like that. So I think it's all positive, all really good. I think the shoe itself looks really good too. I think it's just a very simple and clean colorway that gets the message across. So very excited to see the release. I'm hoping I can get a pair in hand to do a full review of that Adidas Ninja Nite Jogger, but we'll see in a couple weeks. So check back to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are not subscribed to stay up to date with all the information that I post in terms of information, release dates, and product reviews of the sneakers that I pick up. So other than that, that pretty much does wrap up the video for today on, Adidas and Ninja and their collaboration on the very first shoe, the Adidas Ninja Nite Jogger. So thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video.